Welcome back to the Solidworks tutorial for the beginners. In this video, we will talk about how to create 3D objects out of 2D sketch. In this case, it will be a cylinder of this circle. Let's get started. First, after you're done drawing a circle right here, select the sketch where the circle is, go to the features, and select Extruded Boss / base. Now you will see that there's a yellow line showing the preview line of how tall or how much depth is this cylinder is. You can change the depth or the height of the cylinder by dragging this arrow right here, or come to the direction 1 tab in here. You can change and give it appropriate values for the depth of the cylinder to be. After you're done, click the green check button right here or the green check button right here. And here we have created a cylinder of 90 millimeters. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.